Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to become VIP on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on it, you just have to click on Open VIP option. So right here on my VIP option, all I have to do here is to select the particular VIP I want to join. In Lollipop Live app, we have two VIP. We have the Gold VIP and the Diamond VIP. And each of these VIP have a required amount of coin in order to own it. For Gold VIP, you're going to have up to 400,000 T coin. For Diamond VIP, you are going to have 1 million T coin in order to have this VIP. So if you want to have VIP, you just have to click on the Open VIP option close to the required amount of coin. You're going to see an option that says confirm. Just click on it. Now you just have to buy the amount of coin that you want in order to acquire Diamond VIP, and the amount of coin required is 1 million coin. So it simply means I'm going to buy enough coin because my T coin balance is just 300 coin, which is still low. I just have to click on the particular amount of coin I want to buy, and the next thing I have to do is to click on recharge and make sure you have enough network in your area to have access to enter your payment method on your Lollipop Live app and be able to buy a T coin in order to acquire Diamond VIP. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to acquire VIP on Lollipop Live, because VIP goes with exclusive benefits that will make you feel more comfortable using the Lollipop Live app. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.